If you haven't started today, I can guarantee you how much money you're going to make tomorrow. Zero. Every day that you don't start, you're absolutely leaving money on the table. But how do you get started? It's actually very simple. Let's just start with Google, most profitable niches for affiliate marketing. Check this out, most profitable affiliate marketing niches. Fashion, gardening, cooking, technology, real estate, golf, cosmetics, photography. Pick one of these. Pick something that you can look at and say, if I was to pick this topic, can I talk about this topic? Do I know anything about this topic? If you don't know anything about the topic, are you willing to learn something about the topic? Learn, do, teach. That is what we're talking about here. That is what creating content is. That is what affiliate marketing is. If you don't already have knowledge about a thing, if you can't pick a topic and just say, I can talk about this topic for the next 5 years, then you need to pick a topic that has some interest level to you. I mean, it just, from the beginning, you look at it and you say, photography. That's something I think I could learn about. That's something I think I could do. And that's something I think that I would enjoy teaching people how to do, because that's what content is. So now that you've made up your mind that you want to talk about photography, how do you actually start creating content? And especially if you're going to do it here on YouTube, what types of videos? What videos are you going to make as an affiliate? How are you going to position yourself to help people, to show people helpful content, and then let them know about products that solve their problem? Well, these days it's super simple. Head over to ChatGPT and say, give me 5 video topics on photography that I can make to promote a product as an affiliate marketer. Creating engaging and informative video content is a great way to promote products as an affiliate marketer. Here are 5 video topics related to photography that you can use to promote a product. Then you simply just start going through this list and thinking, yes, unboxing and first impressions, how-to guides and tutorials, product comparisons, behind the scenes shoot, top photography tips with product name. Here you're positioning yourself to show people a product that you show them how to use, show them a very specific thing on that product and say, the best tip that I have for you today is how to use this product. And as you're talking about the product, you can just casually mention that there's a link in the description to grab that product. Or if they already have the product, maybe you can suggest something to enhance the product. That's one of your tips. One of the best tips I can give you is to go ahead and check out the accessory in the link in the description for this product that I'm showing you, how to take pictures or how to be a better photographer. Hopefully at this point, you're seeing how simple this is, how easy this is to focus on a topic and say, you know what? I may not know anything about this topic today, but tomorrow I'm going to learn something, or I'm going to learn more than I learned today. Just like you're positioning yourself as a marketer, as an affiliate, to say, you know what? I'm not going to earn any money today if I don't create a piece of content. If I don't start my YouTube channel today, I absolutely know that I'm going to make $0 tomorrow. But if I start today, I have the potential to actually start earning money as soon as people see that content that I'm creating. Now, back to ChatGPT. Perfect. Now give me 5 video ideas for one of the top photography editing softwares that I could promote as an affiliate. Now you've moved past just a generic sort of topic and you focused in on the idea of, I'm an affiliate marketer. I'm going to actually promote this product, the product that I use, the product I know that works, the product that I know will help the people that have the problem of the desire to be a better photographer, to take better pictures. You move into this idea or this concept. Promoting a photography editing software requires showcasing its features, ease of use, and the value it adds to the photography process. Here are 5 video ideas that you can use to promote a top photography editing software as an affiliate. Then it moves through 5 videos. Complete walkthrough mastering the software name. Editing challenging, transforming a photo using only, fixing common photography mistakes with, creating your signature style with, software name. Before and after the magic of this software. The magic of this software is it is going to do this for you to make you a better photographer. This is the type of content you're going to create, and as an affiliate, you position yourself as an expert, and you are understanding that your job is to create content, be a content marketer and an affiliate marketer, and honestly just help people because you're interested in the thing you're talking about, not only because it makes you money, but because it's interesting to you and you know that you can talk about it for the next 5 years and you're willing to learn, do, and teach what it is that you've decided to talk about. Don't overcomplicate it. focus on the topic, and just create content. That's all you have to do to guarantee that tomorrow you have a better chance of making money than you do today if you've never ever tried to create a piece of content and post it here on YouTube to create a helpful and informative video that just shows people what you're learning and what they can do too to accomplish what it is they're looking to accomplish. Don't overcomplicate this process. I promise you, if you start today, you have a better chance. I guarantee you that you have a better chance if you start today than if you don't start today. So let's go back to ChatGPT and pick one of these. Editing challenge, transforming a photo using only. We're going to take that over to YouTube and we are going to put it inside of YouTube and we're going to search just like if we were searching for this topic, just so I can prove to you that ChatGPT is giving us real suggestions. Editing challenge, transforming a photo in Photoshop, Procreate, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop. There I've seen 2 products from Adobe. Now, you've decided you're going to create content, but you need a product to promote as an affiliate right here, now, just that quick. Because we decided to start today, we now have a topic, editing challenge, transforming a photo. We're talking about photography, and we are going to promote Adobe Illustrator, or Adobe Photoshop. We go to Adobe and we check it out, and yes, they do have all these different products. These products, we can go here, we can get access to these products, we can learn them, we can show people how to use them, because that's our job, is to demonstrate how these products work. This is what we're doing as a marketer. We're creating content, and then as an affiliate, we're checking out these different products, and we're saying, great, now, how can I become an affiliate for Adobe products? We're simply just going to scroll down to the bottom, and what we're looking for here is a link to become an affiliate for Adobe products. Now, I don't see the link, but don't be discouraged. What do? We go to YouTube and we ask it how to be an affiliate for Adobe. We click on the adobe.com affiliate program link. And then we see here the Adobe affiliate program and we see an apply now button. We click that apply now button. It takes us over to the next step, the thing that we have to accomplish. Again, we are being an entrepreneur. We decided that we want to make money online. We need to put this on our shoulders and figure out how to do this. We need to walk through these steps to become an affiliate so we can add our affiliate link in our content, because we decided that we're going to start today to actually create content and be an affiliate marketer here on YouTube. And now back to this. This is actually, or the Adobe affiliate program is actually connected to an affiliate marketplace called Partnerize. And once you sign up to Partnerize, you'll get an account and you will get access to the Adobe affiliate program. Like you see here inside of the Partnerize members area, where you can apply for different affiliate programs for different products inside of the photography niche, or just simply thinking about talking about photography and recommending really good products. Now you're probably asking, or you're thinking, well, how do I do that? I got you covered with that too. I'll leave a card up here in the corner that will show you how to sign up to the Partnerize affiliate marketplace. But the idea and the focus here today is simply starting. Because if you don't start today, you're leaving money on the table. And again, I promise you, I guarantee that if you start today, you have a better chance of making money tomorrow than you do if you do not start today. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. Thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye.